Stop what you're watching for a second, because if you think you know what a pickup truck is, the 2026 to 2027 GMC Sierra Denali/Hummer pickup is about to prove you wrong. This is not a normal truck. This is American muscle, refinement, and modern tech mashed into a vehicle that can tow, haul, and dominate daily life with confidence. Welcome back to Rock and Ride Reviews. And if you love comfort, power, and that commanding road presence that makes traffic move out of your way, then you're in the right place. And listen carefully. If you are a real pickup lover, if torque numbers excite you more than horsepower figures, if you believe a truck should look like it can tow a mountain, then don't skip this video, because today we're diving deep into the GMC Sierra Denali Hummer Pickup 2026 to 2027. And trust me, this one is not playing around. Now imagine this. You pull up to a signal, lifted stance, massive grille, LED light signature glowing like a futuristic tank, people turning their heads trying to figure out what exactly they're looking at. Is it a luxury truck? Is it a super pickup? Or is it something built for the apocalypse? That curiosity, that presence, that intimidation factor, that's exactly what GMC is aiming for with this Denali Hummer-inspired beast. Let's talk design first, because this truck doesn't whisper, it announces itself. The front fascia is bold, squared, muscular, with a massive chrome and dark brushed grille that carries the Denali signature, but with Hummer-inspired aggression. The LED DRLs stretch wide across the front, giving it that futuristic electric warrior vibe, while the hood sits high and sculpted with strong character lines. The bumper design looks functional and armored, not decorative. Large tow hooks, aggressive skid plate styling, and a wide stance that makes it feel planted even when it's standing still. Move to the side profile, and the proportions scream dominance. Huge 22 or even 24-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, wide fender flares, side steps integrated smoothly, and that long bed that tells you this is still a proper pickup, not just a showpiece. The body sits tall, upright, almost military-inspired, but polished enough to park outside a five-star hotel without looking out of place. From the rear, the LED taillights are sharp and modern. The tailgate carries premium detailing, maybe even a multi-function tailgate system like GMC's latest designs. Dual exhaust outlets or a hidden performance exhaust setup, depending on the powertrain, complete the look. Everything about this truck says strength and status at the same time. Now step inside, and this is where things get interesting. Because this is not just a rugged machine, this is Denali territory. That means luxury. Expect premium leather upholstery, contrast stitching, real wood or brushed aluminum trim, ambient lighting that changes mood at night, and seats that are not just heated and ventilated, but massaging as well. The dashboard layout will likely feature a large digital instrument cluster paired with a massive infotainment screen, possibly a curved display setup like GMC's latest models. Crisp graphics, fast response, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and a premium Bose or AKG sound system that turns your cabin into a moving concert hall. Rear passengers won't feel like they're in a pickup either. Plenty of legroom, reclining seats in higher trims, USB-C ports, climate vents, and high-quality materials all around. This is the kind of truck where you can tow heavy equipment in the morning and attend a business meeting in the evening without changing vehicles. Now let's talk power, because a truck with this kind of presence cannot afford to be weak. Depending on the final configuration, we could see multiple options. A high-output V8 for traditionalists who love that deep exhaust rumble. A turbocharged inline-six for better efficiency without sacrificing torque. Or possibly even a hybrid-assisted setup to deliver insane low-end torque while improving fuel economy. If GMC integrates Hummer EV technology into this platform, we might even see an electrified or plug-in hybrid variant with instant torque delivery. Imagine pressing the accelerator and feeling that immediate push. No delay, just raw force. That's what modern performance trucks are moving toward. Towing capacity will be a major highlight. Expect serious numbers, possibly over 12,000 pounds depending on configuration. Advanced trailer assist systems, multiple camera angles including transparent trailer view, and trailer sway control will make hauling feel less stressful and more controlled. Off-road capability is another area where this truck could shine. adaptive air suspension for adjustable ride height, selectable drive modes, locking differentials, skid plates, and advanced terrain management systems. Whether you're climbing rocky trails or cruising highways, this truck should adapt effortlessly. Now let's get real for a second. Ownership cost matters. A Denali Hummer-inspired pickup will not be cheap. The starting price could easily sit in the premium full-size truck segment, possibly well above standard Sierra trims. Fuel economy for traditional V8 models might not be class-leading, but hybrid or electrified versions could improve efficiency significantly. Maintenance on a GMC Denali usually remains reasonable compared to ultra-luxury brands, but insurance costs might be higher due to size, value, and performance. Resale value, however, should remain strong, especially if this model becomes a limited or high-demand variant. Now here's the big question. Who is this truck really for? It's not for someone who just needs basic transportation. It's for someone who wants presence, power, and premium comfort in one package. It's for someone who enjoys driving something that feels larger than life. It's for the person who wants their truck to reflect ambition. But should you buy it? If you need extreme luxury, strong towing capability, cutting-edge tech, and undeniable road presence, then yes, this could be worth every rupee or dollar. But if you rarely tow, rarely go off-road, and mainly drive in tight urban areas, this truck might feel oversized for your lifestyle. The GMC Sierra Denali Hummer Pickup 2026 to 2027 represents a blend of rugged American muscle and modern luxury innovation. It tries to give you everything: power, technology, comfort, dominance. And honestly, in today's truck market, that's exactly what buyers are looking for. So now I want to know your opinion. Would you choose this Denali Hummer-inspired pickup over a Ford F-150 Platinum, a Ram 1500 Limited, or even the Silverado High Country? Or do you think this is too bold, too aggressive, too much truck? If you love comfort and peace, but also want power under your right foot, you are on the right place. This is Rock and Ride Reviews, where we break down machines without hype, without drama, just real talk for real car lovers. If this video helped you understand the GMC Sierra Denali Hummer Pickup better, hit the like button, subscribe to Rock and Ride Reviews, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives and comparisons. More powerful machines, more honest reviews, and more automotive stories are coming very soon. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.